took a USD yen long. And this is the beauty of trading. You can trade anywhere, anytime, any place. What is up, guys, and welcome to Austria. We're here in Koningsleiten in Gerlos, and we're here for a week full of trading and skiing. So welcome to the first vlog here on the Trading Academy YouTube channel, guys. As you go, my name is Fabio, and we are going to bring you guys in a week full of skiing, full of trading, and full of enjoying life, showcasing what the beauty is of being a full-time day trader, being able to travel the world, trade wherever you want, whenever you want, and make a full-time income from simply, just analyzing the charts, taking a trade whenever there is an opportunity, and showcasing what life is really about, guys. So bring you guys along and let's enjoy this week full of trading.
The question is, guys, who do you think is faster? Is it Fabio's on the skis or me on the snowboard?
It's gonna be 100% me. So let's go, guys. Let's go into the snow.
Woo! Oh! Oh, cut! What happened there, guys? Never seen before. The pro skier, he doesn't manage to pull it off.
Guys,
that looked like an insane trick, but
we needed to fall for the vlog, you know, otherwise the vlog would be too boring. So at least
yeah,
you got that.
You can't always share all your winners, right? You also need to share some losers.
Sometimes you hit stop loss, right? This was a big stop loss hit. Yes, guys, so we arrived. Now time for some very good lunch. As you can see, the sun has started shining, and time to get some food. We're here at Seppi's in Gerlos, so good views, good food, and let's enjoy our lunch.
Yo, so
hey guys,
we just arrived here at Seppi's, like we just showed you. So now we just actually ordered food. In the meantime, what we're going to do is just analyze the charts a bit, check out crypto, what crypto markets are doing. Rutger and I are currently in a Solana long. Obviously, we're also heavily invested in XRP, Ethereum, also Solana spot trading it, and obviously also Bitcoin. So waiting for crypto to get that pump in again. I do think we're going to see an all-time high again on Bitcoin very, very soon. XRP as well. Big holder of it, part of the XRP army, should be going up very, very soon. So now we're just analyzing some charts, enjoying the weather and the view in the meantime. Obviously it's Sunday, so not a lot to do on the charts. We'll be arriving in the hotel at around, I think, 5 p.m. because the ski lifts close here at around 4 o'clock. So we will go back to the hotel, take a shower, maybe go for a little swim because we have a nice swimming pool in the hotel as well. Sauna as well. Although I'm not personally a sauna guy, I think Rutger is. I absolutely hate the sauna. I always get completely dizzy and sick feeling of it. But then I'm gonna exactly. But then I'll also be watching some Manchester United and Manchester City, as we have the Manchester Derby today as well. And then after that, we'll check out what's on watch for the week, and show you guys some charts and bring you a little bit in to a weekly market outlook here on the Sunday, and then we can see what trades are going to be playing out for the weekend. So that's it. We're going to go and have a nice lunch and speak to you guys later. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have a beautiful pizza di Avola, we have spicy salami, we have nduja, we have paprika, we have also got some peppers on there as well, and obviously tomato sauce and mozzarella. So we're going to enjoy ourselves with some pizza. What is up, guys? So welcome back to another day vlog here in Austria. It is Monday, so the first day that we're back on the markets again since that we've been here. So we've already analyzed everything this morning, did the market outlook. So we have Euro USD on watch and also a few yen pairs as well. Expecting some potential dollar strength, but waiting for confirmation first. So set the alerts, and now we're just gonna go and enjoy our day. So bring you guys along and let's have some fun. Yo guys, what's up? Fabio here. So just want to show you real quick, we took a USD yen long, shared it in the community, and we took it here whilst we were having lunch at Seppi. So we had a beautiful and lovely chicken. So now we're just going to head back onto the slopes, have some fun, and this is the beauty of trading. You can trade anywhere, anytime, any place. So now we're just going to go back, have some fun, whilst we wait for TP to get hit. So join us and let's go. All right, guys. So currently in the ski lift here with Rutger, and we're waiting for USD JPY to hit our TP. So I hope that the screen overall is sharp enough for you to see. But it's moving great in towards our TP.
That was a lovely, lovely, lovely run, guys. So yeah, that was a great one. Man, I got some good shots of Rutger, of course. So in the meantime, UJ still hasn't hit TP. Waiting for that to happen. Now let's take the next run, and then who knows, the New York volatility may start pushing our trade into TP. So yeah, let's go down. We're now at 2,000 meters height, and we're going all the way back down into around, I think, 1,100 meters. So 900 meters more to go down, and yeah, let's go. Time to show you what real speed is.
So guys, we just came on top of the mountain, back from the lift, and we got our favorite alert. It's called the Trading View alert, and it is the TP alert. Fabio, can you tell us what is happening over here?
Yes guys, what is up? So UJ just hit TP. So as you can see here on the screen, we just closed out UJ for a $3,000 profit. So here's my account metric dashboard of Alpha Capital as well. So you can see here full proof of the actual trade being taken. So that's it, guys. I mean, we're now on, I think, day 3 of the holiday, or holiday trading vacation, let's put it that way. And we already made the entire vacation back, just like that, in one single trade. This is the beauty of trading, guys. And now in time, yeah, just to enjoy the view and get back down the mountain again. So see you guys later, and the trade breakdown is coming.
What is up, guys? Just here by the fire, as you can see, doing some charts and some late night analysis in the hotel restaurant. As you can see over here, looking at your USD, waiting for the fractal low to break on the 4-hour time frame. Once that fractal low breaks, that's the moment that I'm going to be interested in a potential sell. So waiting for that moment, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're just going to do. Update the community when it is ready. That's pretty much what I do every single day. So just marking out the fractal structure. Maybe during Asia we'll break it, and then tomorrow morning inside the market update for the entire community, I'll just tell them, okay, now is the time that I'm looking for a sell, and then we just need our entry confirmation, which again, everybody knows what we're going to be looking for. So yeah, that's pretty much just what I do every single evening. Pretty boring, but needs to happen.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Another beautiful day here in the Austrian Alps. Yeah, I mean, just a quick update here from my side. If you watch the daily market outlooks, you know that we've been going long on the dollar. So it was Euro USD shorts all the way, together with UJ longs and GU shorts. So this is GU shorts, and obviously as well, UJ longs have been playing out with absolute perfection. So if you watch the daily market outlook, you know that we belong on the dollar overall this entire week / month. It's been paying off beautifully. So yeah, make sure to check out the daily market outlook every single morning, because there's just so much value to be gained from it. And yeah, I'll attach some analysis here in the video as well for you guys to see why we were actually long on the dollar itself.
All right, so a quick breakdown here of the UJ trade. As you can see, we're back in Amsterdam after that beautiful week of skiing, and still every single time I look at this trade, I just cannot think about how beautiful it is. So what we had here was an overall uptrend on the 15-minute time frame. We can very clearly see that we had a break of structure up, we had another break of structure up, and then at this point in time, this here is our swing low, and this here is our swing high. So overall, the trend is bullish in towards the highs. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. I'm just looking to simply capitalize on the overall momentum that we have in towards the upside. Now, very important for myself is that I always look to go long inside an impulse. And what do I mean specifically with that? Well, when the market has made its pullback, because those are always going to result in the most aggressive legs up. This is where you want to go long, this is where you want to go long, and this is where you want to go long. You do not want to go long inside of the pullback. You always want to go long inside of the impulse. So how do you know that the market is making that next impulse? Well, what we look at obviously is, okay, has the market retraced in towards a good level? Well, yes, it did. It retraced into discount. Has the market retraced into a area of demand? Yes, it has over here, this sell before the buy up that broke market structure. And then the second of all, is the market trading in an impulse? Well, yes, it is, because here we have the fractal break, which came after tapping into demand. Here again, we see a fractal break. Here again, we see a fractal break. At that point in time, this is your 50-minute fractal low. This is your 50-minute fractal high. And I'm trading with 3 bullish confirmations inside the overall impulse. And I'm looking to establish a new higher high somewhere over here due to the trend being bullish as well. What I like to do with UJ is I like to trade on the breakout of the high, as we can see over here, with my stop loss below the lows. So why am I placing my stop loss here and not here? Well, because of the fact that if we break this high, I then anticipate that this becomes our area of demand, which should hold and should continue to push the market higher. Well, what we then see is that we broke out in towards the highs with that overall 50-minute momentum. We form a new area of demand on this sell, which is perfectly normal, this retracement. And then again, you could potentially buy on the next breakout. However, for myself, that is too aggressive. Why is that? Well, because we're already trading after a break of structure, right? What do you expect after a break of structure? You expect a retracement. That's why I like being aggressive underneath the break of structure, inside of the impulse, because that is where I expect these kind of like high momentum plays to come. But then what you see happening obviously is that we push up again, we hit our TP for a 1 to 3 risk to reward.